Alright, I have another mechanical pencil. This one is the Zerbra, let's see, M701. And this is 7mm. Guessing that's why it has the 7 on there. It's a metal barrel. Pretty, and then it has the gnarled finger placement area. It's cylindrical. The eraser, let's take a look. Typical little shorty, which I don't understand still. I mean, it's convenient when you absolutely have to have one. Says something right there. That's weird. Okay, it does come apart, so you can maintenance on it. But let's see the balance on it. There's the balance. It's closer to the front, it seems to me. The lead I'm using on this one is the Zerbra. As you can see, this is the, what does it say, 0.5? Oh, 0.7 was right there. HB. Yeah. Let's see, what else did I miss? There's a rattle? No rattle. Material, I already did a metal. Eraser did that. Maintenance, you can just take it apart there. That's the only part that comes apart other than here. The tip has nothing of significance. The clip is metal. Alright, let's do the ABCs. One, two, three. It's a nice pencil. Line. Although I still don't like the gnarled finger placement area. Like I said before, it feels like sandpaper. Low grade sandpaper, but not low grade, but fine grade, I guess. So, okay, do the lines for erasing. Alright. Do some erasing now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try to get a good angle. 1, 2, 3, 4. That erased really good. As you can see, erased pretty good. I can't really see, well, in some spaces I can see the where the line had been. Maybe it's just an optical illusion. But there's the Zerbra HB pencil lead. It's pretty good lead for HB. Alright. And thank you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.